Kids will filming us.
Well, you're on camera.
Do it again.
Mashed potato. I don't like it anymore. My hands, my face, I think I've got marks all over me. So, oh no! Oh, I think we might have an issue with you, Clayton. I'm going to pass to you.
Hey.
How you doing, Rob?
Yeah, how are you doing? Are you enjoying the show so far?
Yeah.
Very nice indeed. Good to see you here.
Are we ready?
Right there, you're looking comfortable.
Just a bit.
Yeah. I don't know who's going to take. He's going to mashed potato me. He is. Yay.
No, actually, don't do that.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to when we do the count.
Nicola King, big cheer, everyone! And we want a big cheer for Abonanza. We've got Widow Twanky. We've got Bodger and Badger. Not forgetting the Fox. We've got Clayton. Yeah. And we've got Ross. Now, I would like you all to remember, what are we counting down from?
10.
And where are we going to be looking?
Oh, we've got to count down to help us.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
10.
9, 8, 7, 6,
6.
5,
5.
4,
3.
2, 1. Big cheer!
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing,
Everyone, it's the season.
no one understands me.
They've done a good job so far. It'll be down to the council to get the rubbish. There's loads of people here, as you saw in the last video. And the stage is up the top. It used to be down the bottom of the town, near the town hall.
Do it again.
this is what the council in Folkestone has to go around pulling, and it's automatic, but you have to pull it with it, sort of thing. It's got like a good 12 bags in there already. Excuse me, can I just ask you a question? How come you got different colour coats on?
Some of us are SIA, just
Right.
the badge you get.
Yeah.
Some of us are just stewards.
Oh right, so who are the SIA one?
The
the
ones
other,
with the
other colours?
these colours.
Yeah. Oh right, no worries. I was just wondering because they look different. Cool. Well, I learned something. Yeah, they're just packing up now. And the council cleaner's on the job, wherever he is. There he is. And that's a stage being cleared up now. Hope you enjoyed that little video, or a few videos put together. It's over. Good night. Coming up to the Christmas tree now. That's right at the bottom. I used to have everyone meeting right at the bottom, but because I think it's more people coming to our fence in Folkestone, they took the stage up into the middle of town just to get everyone there. There's a good few hundred people there, so it's quite busy. And I've caught a little bit of Bodger and Badger on my recording. I know it's sad, but that's what I used to watch when I was a kid. So. Let's go and find that tree anyway.
That's no excuse then, if you've got a cherry picker, wrap the whole bloody thing.